Lori and Claire visit that fish place, that pet place, every few weeks. They both love the attention they get from the staff and socializing with customers like Janice and Kaleo. Claire can't get enough of the sights and smells. The Stingray touch tank, hundreds of aquariums, thousands of treats, and getting to pick her own toys from the huge selection. Lori drives from the other side of town to shop for all her pet supplies. Experience it for yourself. That fish place, that pet place, Centerville Road in Lancaster. The largest pet store you've ever seen.